Hi, this is Dr. Jayashri Todkar. I am the laparoscopic bariatric and metabolic surgeon and also the director for International Center of Excellence for Obesity Solutions. Today we are going to look at what is bariatric surgery, who should undergo it, what are the benefits, and what is the long-term care that we need to take about it. Bariatric surgery is the most scientific, advanced treatment for sustained weight loss and the related diseases which are associated with morbid obesity. Morbid obesity starts from the BMI 32.5 with any of the comorbidities which are listed now, like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart problems, kidney problems, sleep apnea like diseases, obesity hypoventilation syndrome, infertility, joint degeneration, spine related problems, hypothyroidism, fatty liver, hypercholesterolemia, and n number of situations which can arise out of these basic health conditions. The morbid obesity, when we want to treat it, we have to understand one thing, that there are some voluntary factors and some involuntary factors. Bariatric surgery is going to modify the involuntary factors and the defects in the body metabolic systems so that now you are able to deal with the calorie intake and the energy intake much better in terms of utility and lesser storage. Ultimately, all the diseases stated above can get reversed after the application of surgery. Who should undergo surgery? Patients with BMI more than 32.5 with any of these comorbidities, or any patient who has got central obesity more than 90 centimeters, any patient who has got intractable type 2 diabetes or hypertension or sleep apnea with BMI more than 30 kilograms per meter square, or any patient who is a BMI of 37.5 alone without any of the stated comorbidities. Obviously, the purpose is to save the body from early degeneration because of this burden of the fat and sugars for the body. There are multiple operations which are done under bariatric surgery, like the gastric band, the sleeve gastrectomy, the various types of bypasses, and various types of divergence of the intestine. Almost 19 different types exist, but the operations which are very much effective and successful, applicable for Indian scenario and the food culture and the genetic system of ours, are gastric bypasses and the sleeve gastrectomies. These are the operations done through laparoscopy, that is keyhole surgery. So previously, almost 25 years back, these operations were done like 30 or 40 stitches on the abdomen. Now we go through just 4 different stitches, small incisions, and the patient is able to walk and go home within 24 hours from the operation time. The patient doesn't need any kind of bed rest. The patient is full of energy. Before the operation, some few things need to be followed. Number 1 is complete evaluation of the patient, optimization of the disease profile so that he becomes a fit person for undertaking the anesthesia and the operation. Once you get operated, within 24 to 48 hours, you are discharged and you can be back to your office after that within a day or 2. After this operation, we expect the weight loss to happen in phases, and this will complete its job within 8 to 10 months after the operation. None of the fat cells are removed in the operation. Inside the abdomen, the digestive system is modified into different designs so that now the utility hormones of the body are more efficient and the storage hormones of the body go into a decline mode. This new arrangement helps us utilize our own fats and sugars which are extra burden to the body. These stores get mobilized, your body can use them as energy. Obviously, your food intake goes down for a certain period, but you are happy about it because your basic energy demands are met with. The physical activity improves, the psychology improves, the opportunities in life improve, you are better off with your diseases, and of course, the medications needed for the diseases and the complications, everything you are able to halt at a certain level. It takes you back to your good health within the full period of job which it is going to work through. The outcome of these operations is going to give you a long lasting, nearly lifetime outcome in terms of conquering over the diseases and prevention of multiple large complications which arrive out of this. This is one of the most safe, one of the most effective treatments proven scientifically for sustained successful weight loss and overcoming multiple diseases which are associated with bad metabolism, including obesity, diabetes, hypertension, and n number of things which we talked about. You should avail the treatment in time. That is more important. Don't wait till your body gets exhausted or degenerated a lot. Of course, the science can help you at any point of time, but if you are arriving at the right point of time for the right operations or the right treatments, then the outcome is tremendous. You can enjoy all the bodily functions and quality of life in full-blown manner.